Hello, hello, hello. Just got done watching the Netflix film Irish Wish from 2024. It is a 1 hour, 33-minute romance or rom-com. It's a wish magically turns Maddie from bridesmaid to bride in this rom-com starring Lindsay Lohan. I thought it was okay. It's a rated TV PG rating. Yeah, it is almost kind of a, well, predictable, of course, but a lot of rom-coms are fairly predictable, but almost kind of boring in certain points of the movie. Yeah, it felt like it was a lot longer than 1 hour and 33 minutes. I thought it was an okay movie for once through. I will link it below, or the trailer, whatever I can link below, I'll link that below. If you've ever seen Irish Wish, let me know what you thought of it. I'm going to probably give this a 2 out of 5, and it's not the best rom-com I've seen. I mean, it definitely had plenty of romance, but there was just no comedy as far as I could tell, really.
Yeah.
So
it's supposed to be a comedy?
Well, it says up there rom-com.
Oh, yeah.
So
yeah.
But yeah, that's what I said. It was, and parts of it were kind of boring, and it was pretty predictable. So, what would you give it out of a 5-star review?
Yeah, probably a 2.
Yeah, 2's about as much as I can give it. The acting was fine. I thought the casting was fine. The Irish views of landscape were amazing.
Oh, beautiful.
Gorgeous. Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous. The music in this movie was a bit dramatic and over the top. At times the music got a little more interesting than the story, which isn't necessarily what you want in a movie, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, if you have not seen Irish Wish, do you typically enjoy romantic comedies or romance movies in general? For me, I do like rom-coms most of the time. But just straight up romance movies, I usually don't go for those. I usually kind of stay away from them. But let me know about you and your preferences in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.